Come here, Morgan. Come here. Come here, Morgan.
Daddy. Walk to Daddy.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. Yay. Yay. Stop. Yay. Yeah. No, I'm not doing it right now.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you should see her.
She walked across the whole room. Come on, Morgan. Come here, baby.
Jay, watch it.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay. Yay. Walk to mommy.
Don't push her.
Yeah, just let her, yeah.
Your arms.
Yay!
Big Mom.
Yay! Morgan, yay!
What? Come to me. Come to see him. Hold on. Pick her up. Come to see him. She's sitting sound. Hold on. Ready? Go. Come walk.
Whoa.
Sometimes she kind of...
Don't throw the ball at her, please.
Come here, Morgan. Come. She gets sometimes excited and she starts going.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Walk to mommy. You walk to mommy?
Okay, don't let you. Yeah.
I'm not pushing her. She's a little excited sometimes. Mom, can we go get my notebook?
Introducing egg white flatbreads from the UPD Smart Menu.
Well, Mom, I need to take the notes and everything, and I don't have...
That's it. Don't throw the ball at her.
Yay!
I don't care. Yay, Morgan, yay!
Grab again.